I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, oh, I'm dreaming of you. I dream of a new day. Fighting the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close, who could have this fight? So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again.
Hey guys, Ryan here, just down at the Woodleigh station, about 14 minutes from Ravenshoe. I'd say probably 2 or 3 minutes past the Archer River campsite. It's a fantastic little spot, as you can see. Fresh water all around us, no one here. It is a Thursday, so it is a bit quieter than usual. But there's a lot of facilities around here. You got toilets, showers, only a short drive away. Animals for the kids, fresh water, no crocodiles, fishing. The random cow that visits your campsite in the middle of the night and scares the shit out of your partner. But other than that, it's a fantastic spot. One of the best around the area, and mostly locals use it. Not too many visitors come through here. It does get a bit busy on the weekends and obviously public holidays, but other than that, it's one of our favourite top spots. Definitely worth the short trip from Cairns. We're currently camping at the, I think they call it the H2O campsite. So it's probably the furthest through and past the homestead where you check in. As you can see, it's got enough room for, I don't know, 5, 6 small families and their camp setups. Backs on to the fresh water down here. It's only a little dip in there. Got everything around you. Someone's left their canoes over here, which is fantastic, but they didn't leave their oars, which proves they're a bit redundant. But other than that, fantastic. You got the wildlife around you, the birds. We've had a few visitors through the night, which are the cows, and the odd Maggie that's come through to steal your bacon for brekkie. But other than that, it's probably one of the better spots around here from my experience. There's some really top spots here, all located under trees and nice shady areas, but definitely worth a wander.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down.